All it wanted was food, but one step too far left the helpless kitten trapped, struggling to breathe, and completely dependent on human kindness. In a quiet alley behind aging buildings, a few weeks old orange kitten trembled beside a broken wall, weak with hunger. A faint scent of dried milk drew it to a crushed carton. Desperate, it pushed its head inside, then froze. The carton tightened. Panic surged. Tiny paws thrashed as breath grew shallow, cries fading into the empty alley. What happened next would decide whether this kitten lived or disappeared forever. The real story behind this will shock you. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click here to watch the full story.